everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have something really exciting for you guys today. Today's unboxing is going to be this amazing Chanel foundation that I used to wear back in the day, but I went back to drugstore foundations and then decided to go back to Chanel. Normally I would order my Chanel makeup from Nordstrom or Macy's, but I wanted to try out ordering from Chanel directly, and I am so glad I did, you guys. Everything is amazing, from the packaging, from the shipping box, all the way through to getting my actual item, you guys. You get everything from a complimentary guest card to a special envelope with your shipping label if you need to return, your receipt, your invoice, all of that good stuff. You also get 2 samples, you guys, and it comes in this super cute drawstring bag. I decided to go with the mascara, and then I also went with a nice cream that's going to go under my eyes. So I'm super happy with my purchase. Moving on to what I actually ordered, which is the Ultra Le Tint. I don't know if I said that right, but you guys get me. The foundation, it is in the color BD131. And what I'm gonna actually do is show you guys how I apply this foundation and then show you guys the finished look so that you can see how awesome it is. It is absolutely amazing. It is definitely worth the price. So if you guys want to see exactly how this makeup looks, keep on watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on those post notifications, and of course give this video a thumbs up.